Hello guys, in this video we will see how to take backup and restore a table in PostgreSQL Server. We use pg_dump tool to take backup of table in PostgreSQL, and PSQL or pg_restore tools are used to restore the table from the existing backup. pg_dump -h, -p, -u, -w, -d, -t and path and file name for the backup of table. To restore table data from the backup, then use the command psql -h, -p, -u, -w, -d, -t, then less than symbol and full path and file name. Before we restore, we need to connect to the database and truncate the table to clear all the data. Where -h means the host name, -p means the port number, -u means the username, -u is the database username, -w which prompts for the password, -d is the database name of the table, -t is the table name which we are going to take backup and restore operation. Let's connect to PostgreSQL Server. I am in Ubuntu Linux server, then switch to user Postgres. Provide the password. Switch to the database. See, I have these many tables in this schema. Now we are going to take backup of this table and restore it. Open on the terminal or putty, then switch to Postgres user. Then run the command pg_dump -h, host h means host name, localhost, -d, northwind, -table equals to public is the schema name, then provide the table name, then greater than symbol, then -w which prompts for the password, then -u. -u means username Postgres, then create file in current directory with the file name public_. I am going to store this backup file in my current working directory with the file name public is schema name, order_details.sql. Here you can give anything, dump or temp or txt, anything is fine. Then press enter. Then provide the password for the user Postgres. Let's verify the file has been created or not. See, file has been created. Let's view the content of this file. See, here data for name is order details, and this is the schema, and this is the owner name, and this is the data. Clear the screen by pressing Ctrl L. Now I am going to drop this table. command is drop table, then table name. We have successfully dropped the table. Now I am going to restore this backup file. Now I am going to restore table by using the backup taken in the previous step. By using psql -h localhost -d northwind, then -u postgres, then -w, then --table equals to public dot order details, which is going to restore table in public schema with the name order underscore details. Then here we have to provide the less than symbol. Then we have to provide the backup file which we have taken, public underscore order underscore details dot sql. Whatever the commands executed in this video will be kept in the video description. Then press enter. Then provide the password for the user Postgres. See, it has copied total 2155 records or rows. Let's connect to Northwind and check whether this table has been created or not by using the command dt. See, table has been created. See, before we have dropped table, after restore the table has been created. Let's verify total records of this table. See, total 2155 records are restored successfully. So in this video we have seen syntax to backup and restore a table in PostgreSQL. Then we have seen the example to take backup of table. Then we have cleared the table data. Then we have dropped the table which we have already taken backup of table. Then finally we have performed restore of the table using the backup of the table. Whatever the commands executed in this video will be kept in the video description. For more PostgreSQL Server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.